We all have our own unique mix of traits, characteristics, and quirks that make us who we are. Our personalities influence every aspect of our lives, from the relationships we forge to the choices we make. But what exactly do we know about personality? First, birth order might influence your personality. Folk wisdom has long suggested that firstborns tend to be bossy and driven. Lastborns are more likely to be relaxed and less responsible. There is scientific research that supports many of these birth order stereotypes. One recent study found firstborns do have higher IQs and different personality traits than laterborns, yet this showed little to no impact on a person's life. Next, your personality is pretty stable throughout life. Longitudinal studies of personality have demonstrated that core traits such as extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism tend to remain pretty stable throughout life. Some experts suggest that while habits and roles change as we age, primary personality traits are mostly static. But you can change certain aspects of your personality. Many experts agree that changing fundamental aspects of personality can be very difficult. Psychologist Carol Dweck has suggested that altering things that lie underneath the broad traits is possible. Habits, beliefs, goals, coping strategies, and behavior patterns can be changed, and psychologists such as Dweck believe that making these changes can have an impact on your overall personality. One thing that does impact core personality traits is unemployment. A 2015 study published by the American Psychological Association found that periods of unemployment were often linked to changes in core personality traits. People became less conscientious, less agreeable, less open, and that can make it even harder to find a new job. Your personality influences the choices you make. Researchers have found that your personality can affect everything from who you vote for to who you're friends with. One study found that empathetic people tend to be more politically liberal, while very orderly people tend to be more conservative. Studies even suggest your personality might influence your taste in music. The choices you make can reveal a lot about your personality. For example, the kind of pet you prefer might reveal a lot about whether you're an extrovert or an introvert. One study found that people who prefer dogs as pets are more outgoing and eager to please. Those who prefer cats are more curious, yet reserved. And your personality might make you more susceptible to certain diseases. Research has demonstrated that people with neurotic personality traits such as fear, anxiety, jealousy, and frustration are linked to some health issues. People with these neurotic traits are more likely to develop heart disease, headaches, asthma, peptic ulcers, and arthritis. Not only does your personality influence the choices you make, it also has a powerful impact on your health and well-being. Understanding your personality can provide greater insight into the things you do and perhaps help you find ways to actually change certain habits, behaviors, and characteristics.